Flying foxes are active species. Perching on the tall trees in lowland forest, they live on trees as a colony called roost. Their natural place is an old tree that has a rotten core with a small hole to allow access. Fruit bats belong to the order Chiroptera, meaning hand-wing. It contains the only true flying mammals, the bats. The entire bat skeleton, especially the limbs, is modified for flight. A bat's wing and a person's hand have the same number of fingers. The wings are formed from elongated finger bones, and they are covered with flight membranes, extensions of the body skin, which often extended between leg and tail. They have a claw on the second finger of the wing and have longer muzzles than microbats. There were 100,000 fruit bats in the Subic forest in the 1930s, but due to hunting and human activities within the area, this number went down to only a few thousands today. The loss of their forest homes has made many of these bats endangered with extinction. Their cute puppy-like faces add to their appeal. Despite this, fruit bats are heavily haunted because of centuries of myth and superstition. Bats are among the world's least appreciated and most endangered species. It is easy to fly from a high place. A bat can fly off whenever it wants if it is hanging upside down. But it is much harder to take off from the ground because its back legs are so thin and weak. A bat can stand up. In the evening, the bats would awaken and prepare to fly off to distant feeding grounds. By dispersing the seeds of forest fruits and spreading pollen between the forest flowers they visit, fruit bats maintain and restore forests by aiding in the reproduction of forest plants. Many fruit crops are important to people, such as durian, wild banana, and kapok. They also rely on fruit bats for their reproduction.